generation during the current no movement days in Jamaica. Slowwhine, an adult rum mix, is owned by Whirlwind Entertainment, the same company that owns House of Dancehall and Jamaica Online TV. It was a natural choice for Carlene to partner with them, not only to provide cash prizes but to stream worldwide for free. Known as the original Dancehall Queen, Carlene is often credited for making fashion, female sexuality, and provocative dancing a part of dancehall in the 90s, when the genre was known primarily for its rude boy antics and male bravado. Now, a generation later, she wants to take the Dancehall Queen concept to another level. In the 90s, we shattered the glass ceiling with women paving the way for ladies worldwide to earn a living from their talent and fashion. Now, I want to take them to another level. From gracing magazine covers, having modeling contracts, acting careers, and international brand ambassadorships. Now that we broke through the glass ceiling, women must reach for the skies. I will use my contacts and experience to help take them there. This initiative competition will not just be about dancing at all. My judges and I are looking for the young woman who has extensive dancehall knowledge, is fashion savvy, and can represent our country well. She will need to be the complete package, says Carlene. The interactive nature of this program will revolutionize how contests are done in the future. Michael Dawson, CEO of Whirlwind Entertainment, the parent company of Slowwhine, believes persons in the dancehall industry are always considered to be reckless and irresponsible. Therefore, he did see it as important for him to offer free stay-at-home entertainment and for Whirlwind to do their part in adherence to the government measures imposed to curb the spread of COVID-19. He also stated that with the new restrictions set in place by the government, it made it a little hard for them to execute all they have planned. However, the team later decided to launch the promotions digitally. He added that the promotions will kick with free episodes of the popular live show, Sex and Dancehall, the lockdown edition, as well as consistent promotion and announcements on all the brand's social media pages. The Dancehall Queen contest is slated to launch before the end of this year. So let me know if you think this would be a hit. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe and notification button to keep up to date on our newest and latest videos. Also, remember to check out DancehallMag.com for your current news on dancehall culture.